If you want to mirror objects in Tinkercad, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to flip a shape across different axes using the mirror tool, so you can create cleaner designs, symmetrical parts, and faster 3D modeling workflows. This is especially useful when you're building matching pieces, adjusting a design to the opposite side, or simply saving time instead of rebuilding objects from scratch. And if this tutorial helps you out, be sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy Tinkercad guides just like this one. Let's get into it. First, open your Tinkercad project and select the object you want to mirror. You can do this by clicking directly on the shape in your workspace. Once the object is selected, make sure it's highlighted so you know Tinkercad is ready to apply changes to that exact shape. Now, look at the top right toolbar and find the mirror icon. This is the tool that lets you flip your object across an axis. If you prefer using keyboard shortcuts, you can also press the M key on your keyboard to activate the mirror function faster. That's a great shortcut to remember if you use Tinkercad often. After you open the mirror tool, you'll see 3 sets of double arrow handles appear around the object. These handles represent the available axes you can mirror across. Tinkercad makes this simple by letting you choose the direction you want with just one click. If you want to mirror left to right, choose the horizontal axis. This is the option that flips the object across the side-to-side direction, which is perfect when you want the design to face the opposite way without changing its overall size or shape. If you want to mirror up and down, choose the vertical axis. This flips the object across the top to bottom direction, which is useful when you need to reverse the orientation vertically. And if you need to flip the object from front to back, choose the depth axis. This is the option that mirrors the shape across the front-back direction, which can be especially helpful for more detailed 3D arrangements or parts that need to match another side of a model. Once you decide which direction you want, just click the matching handle. The object will instantly flip across its own center axis in that direction. You'll notice Tinkercad keeps the mirrored object aligned neatly, so you can continue editing or positioning it right away. If the result doesn't look right, just undo and try a different axis. The good news is that mirroring in Tinkercad is fast and easy once you know where the tool is and how each axis works. In just a few clicks, you can transform a design and get the exact orientation you need. So to recap, select the object, open the mirror tool from the top right toolbar or press M, choose the horizontal, vertical, or depth axis, and click the handle to mirror the object. That's all it takes. If this video helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe for more Tinkercad tutorials, and let me know in the comments what you want to learn next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.